not.
What'd she find?
She's not hurting it. She's just trying to figure out what it is.
Oh, it's an alive thing?
Yes.
Oh. She's not hurting it apparently. What is it?
Maybe it's fast enough.
What did you find?
And pick it up.
You can pick it up if you want. You just grab it by its little shell.
You recording?
Oh, that's one that we found before because look, we painted them with nail polish and it has nail polish on it.
Paint it.
That's one of our friends from before.
Paint it one more time.
You're gonna play with it one more time?
Paint it.
Oh, you wanna paint it one more time?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, did it come?
I see it.
So you're 7.
Flip it over. Just pick it up.
Wait.
I see. What is
Paint
it?
it.
What is it?
Wait. Let him head, Mom.
I see
What
his
kind of
little
animal
head.
is
He's
that?
hiding.
Chocolate penny. Let him chocolate penny. And come out that 1 second.
Come out in just 1 second.
And then wait.
Yeah, it's not gonna come out with Penny sitting there. We'll have to leave him alone and then he'll come out.
Petting it.
You're petting it. That's so sweet.
And pet it. Soft. And
It's
pick
soft?
it
I don't
up.
think it's soft.
Picking it up.
Okay.
Ooh. It's so big.
It is so big.
And then put it a bit closer. Then we'll get one.
Resident weed puller. Penny. Penny pie. Where'd you put it?
Show
You want to show it to Big Mama?
it. Text.
Text Eon.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a bit.
Oh, don't put him upside down. Are you just cleaning him off? All right, turn him right side up now.
That's on my shoe.
Hi, turtle.